Greetings everybody. Today I'm going to cook roasted pork ribs, chorizo and potatoes. As always, I will leave the recipe ingredients at the end of the video and also in the description of this video. So let's start cooking. So to start off today, I'm going to quickly peel these potatoes. So once the potatoes are peeled, I'm going to slice them up in about 1 centimeter. So there we have them. Now I will get my oven dish and just put them all there. I'm not using any oil at all today. Just wine and water. Right. Okay. So now I'm going to put the pork ribs and the chorizo on top. There you go. Right, next I've got this 1 cup 8 ounce quarter of a litre 250 ml jug, and I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of paprika, some black pepper, some thyme, a sprinkle, some oregano, another sprinkle, whoa, and today I'm going to be using the powdered garlic. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon as well, more or less. And finally, I'm going to crumble in a stock cube, vegetable or meat, doesn't matter. So I'll just crumble that in there. Give it a mix. And I'm going to fill it up with wine. Well, more than nearly full. About a glass, more or less, of wine. And I'll give it a stir. And I'll bring this over here and I'll just pour it all over. This is a very simple roast dinner. I'm gonna grab some more water. I've got half a litre of water here. I'll just put that in there and give it a wash around and pour it over, and finish off by pouring it over. Nearly all, about 450 plus the wine. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for half an hour at 220 degrees centigrade, which in English is 430 Fahrenheit. And I forgot once again, the stock cube already has salt, But if you want some more, just add another teaspoon like I did. Also, you're probably thinking you're crazy in this weather with the oven on. Well, yeah, I am. Today they forecast 39. It's just gone 12 o'clock and it's already 30, 32. So I'll be sweating here. Okay then. So it's been there for half an hour. And what I will do now is turn the ribs over and the potatoes. Yes, you've seen these are different. That's because I had some in the fridge left over from the other day, which I kept in water. I thought, why not add them? So we'll turn this over slightly. Not everything, it doesn't matter really, because on the next one everything should roast nicely. So back in the oven it goes for half an hour and the same temperature. Okay, so here is the final product. Let's get that straight. You may have noticed that I turned the ribs over just for appearance really. Let's do a stab check. Yeah, everything is really nice. Oh yes, beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe, and I look forward to doing my next one very soon. Thank you for watching and goodbye.